How to fix any TikTok effect problem easily and fast. Welcome back guys to this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix any TikTok effect problem easily and fast. So first thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find TikTok and then click on it, click on data usage, and then right here make sure to enable the mobile data and the Wi-Fi and the roaming data and disable only the background data. Go back, click on the storage right here. Now this is the internal storage. It will start computing, as you can see, the number of the data that you have. After that, you have to click on clear data and clear cache. And the last thing you want to do to fix the effects is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone and click on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe.